What is up, everyone? In this video, we're bringing you a special series. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 9 secrets digital marketers know that business owners do not.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name.
In this video, I'm going to share with you 9 secrets that digital marketers know that business owners don't. Now, this is a part 1 to a 9-part series. So basically, I broke this series down into 9 parts, 9 secrets, however you want to call it. But first, let me explain the backstory behind creating this series. So if you don't know by now, you know I run a marketing agency, and you know I have an online program where I help other marketing agencies and entrepreneurs build a 6-figure income leveraging digital marketing for business owners. Now, I've worked with over 20 clients in the digital marketing space in the last 24 months. And one thing I noticed is every business owner I ever worked with was missing a majority of all 9 of these secrets. 90% of them were missing all 9 of these secrets. So it prompted me to create a 9-part series where I talk about the 9 secrets that digital marketers know that business owners do not. By the end of this series, you will have a complete, comprehensive idea of the 9 secrets that digital marketers use that business owners do not. So if you're a digital marketer, you will find great value out of these 9 secrets because each one of these 9 secrets I've applied into my business as well as my clients. And each one of these 9 secrets, you could build a sustainable income just offering one of these 9 services to any client or business owner that is not taking advantage of these secret strategies that I'm about to give to you in this video. Each one of these 9 secrets, you can charge your clients $500 to $1,000 per month for each one of these 9 secrets. I implement all 9 of these secrets within my own business and my clients' businesses as well. So with that being said, let's get into the first secret. Now, the first secret that digital marketers know that business owners do not is funnels over websites. By any chance you do not know what a funnel is a series of web pages designed to take a customer or lead down a buying journey. That's probably the simplest definition I can make it. It's a series of web pages that take your customer down a journey, which ultimately gets them to pull out their wallet and give you their money. In my business, in my online education, I have a 2-step funnel, which is basically a landing page, an opt-in page where I offer a free webinar in exchange for a customer's email. And then on the next step of my funnel is a webinar where I attempt to sell my digital marketing course. And then, of course, the third page is after someone purchases my course and they're taken to the thank you page where they can actually access my course. So my sales funnel is actually 3 steps. I call it a 2-step funnel because the third step doesn't really count. It's the step that happens after someone purchases my product. So there's 2 steps. The first page is the landing page, which is where I collect the emails. And the second page is where I actually give them the value in a webinar. And for certain leads or customers who decide it's a right fit for them, they actually go ahead and join my program. That's how the sales funnel works in my business particularly. Now, I've seen, 10-step funnels. I've seen 1-step funnels. So how complicated you want to go, that's on you. For me, I find that a 2-step funnel works best for me. So here are some simple reasons why a sales funnel is going to work a lot better than a website. So when someone goes to your website, you usually have the homepage, the about me, the where are we located, all these things, right? But the problem with a website is there's so many options that if you send 100 people to your website and you give them 5 options, but let's say option 2 is the option that actually generates profit and revenue, what's the chances someone's gonna, click option 2 if you give them 5 options, right? So the reason why a sales funnel works so well is because you only have 1 option. So the majority of the people that go to that page are only going to have 2 options. They're either going to take your option, take you up on your offer, or they're going to leave and decide it's not for them. I can show you guys, I can pull up an example of my funnel and I show you guys that it's very, very simple. It's 1 page. You can barely scroll down. There's only 1 button. It's clear what I want you to do. I want you to give me your email and go to the next page. It's pretty simple what I want you to do. The people who are not interested, they just leave. The people who are interested, they give up their email and they go and watch my amazing free training that I believe, in my opinion, is the best free training for ad agencies out there in the market, hands down. So another reason why a sales funnel works a lot better than a website is a sales funnel is designed to guide a lead down the buyer's journey. So what that means is there are certain steps you need to take to turn someone from not knowing who you are to pulling out their wallet and giving you their money and believing in you. You can't just walk up to someone and say, hey, want to buy my shit? That's not going to work. There's certain journeys that you got to take them down, and that's what a sales funnel does. It accomplishes this journey on autopilot. That's why I love sales funnels. They convert 10 times better than the average website. And again, the average website converts 2 to 5%, right? My sales funnel, I can pull up the stats for you guys right now. My sales funnel converts over 50%. Sometimes we're at 70%. Some weeks we're at 90%. I've seen my sales funnel as high as 92%, within a 7-day span. It doesn't stay that way all the time, but some weeks are better than others, but I consistently maintain over a 55% conversion rate on my sales funnel, which is 10 times higher than the average website. I can show you guys examples of Apple, Netflix, Amazon. They all use sales funnels. It's pretty simple. It's pretty clear what they want you to do when you get on their website. They want you to sign up. They want you to become a lead, right? So pay attention to your websites. If your customer gets confused, they're gonna leave. There's 2 big reasons why potential customers leave your website. Number 1 is it loads too slow. And number 2, they just get confused. They're unsure of what you want them to do because, believe it or not, people like to be told what to do. Being confused and trying to figure out what to do just gives people stress. And if a potential customer goes to your website and they get stressed out because they're not sure what to do next, they're going to leave your website. You're most likely never going to get them back. Sales funnels, which is probably the most important part about making money online, which is why I made sure to put this number 1 on my list. Sales funnels are so important. A sales funnel is responsible for 25% of my income. So just setting up a website, that I set up, months ago that requires little management has generated, 25% of my income in a matter of days. A sales funnel is literally how you go from 0 to hero. So the reason why I say funnels over websites is the average conversion rate for a website is 2 to 5%. That means if 100 people go to your website, you can only expect 2 to 5 to, convert. And most of the time, conversions don't even mean purchases. They mean just, a lead, which a lead is basically just getting an email or a phone number from a potential customer. So if 100 people go to your website and you're only collecting 5% of those customers as leads, that's horrible, right? That's what websites do. A website is not designed to convert leads into customers. A website is more of an information hub where someone can, find out about you and, contact you and see the history and all that stuff. So the reason why a funnel is much, much, much better than a website is a funnel focuses on a specific action, one call to action. So with my funnel, each page has its own action. So my first step of my funnel is I'm trying to collect emails, right? So I need to give something of value in order to get that email. And in my case, I have a 45-minute webinar where I teach people my fail-proof formula to start and scale a 6-figure ad agency working for car dealerships. In order for someone to watch this video, they have to give up an email. That's the first step in my funnel. And I could go into why you need the email address. That's actually one of the secrets. So the difference between a funnel and a website is, to me, the ability to run paid ads. The average website converts at 2 to 5%, which means 100 people go to the website, only 2 to 5 will actually convert. And most of the time, conversions don't even mean sales. A conversion most of the time just means a lead, which means the potential customer has only given you an email or a phone number. So the average website converts at 2 to 5%, right? If you have a web page that converts at 2 to 5%, you're most likely not going to be able to be profitable if you run paid ads. So that is the difference between a funnel and a website. With a funnel, conversion rates can be as high as 80, 90%, which means if 100 people go to your website, you can convert, 40 to 90% of those customers, which may not seem like a big deal, but I'm telling you, the difference between conversion rates will be what determines how profitable you are when you run paid ads. So the difference to me, in my opinion, is the difference between paid advertising being a cost or paid advertising being an instant way to double, triple, quadruple your money. A good funnel profits every single day. With my funnel, we're able to turn $1 into $6 consistently every single day, every week, every month. So this is how you multiply money. There's 3 secrets to making money. First, you got to make the money, you got to keep the money, then reinvest the money, and then you got to figure out a way to multiply the money. The easiest way to multiply your money if you're a business owner is to run paid ads. So here's an example. I spend $500 to get 100 people to my website. Let's say I convert 50% of them into leads, and let's say 10 of those leads buy at $100. So I spent $500 to get 100 people to my website, 50 of them became a lead, and 10 of them purchased at $100, which means I turned $500 into $1,000, which means my return on investment is 100%, which means I turned $1 into $2. So in my online education, we turn $1 into $6 consistently every single month. Now, this is, I would say, medium high. You know, I know people who are making 20 times, 50 times on their investment every single month consistently. So when I first started, you know, I was comfortably turning $1 into $2.50, you know, and just by using the strategies that I'm about to share with you in this 9-part series, I've been able to go from, you know, profiting 2 times to profiting 6 times as much. That's what these secret strategies are going to do for you. If you don't know anything about sales funnels, I'm telling you, do your Googles, figure out what a sales funnel is, subscribe to this channel. You're going to hear me talk way more about sales funnels in the future. But at this very moment, I got to keep this video short. I have a 9-part series. I don't want to keep you guys here forever. I want you guys to take action. So sales funnels over websites, that is the first secret. Subscribe to my channel to figure out what the next secret is that you need, especially if you're a business owner. You need all 9 of these secrets to be able to make big money. That's all I got for you guys. Stay tuned for the next secret digital marketers know that business owners do not. My name is Tay Nelson, signing out.